I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am a professional hairstylist and wig wearer, and I'm back today with another wig review. Today is on another affordable brand. This is from a brand called EuroStylewigs. They kindly reached out to me and asked if I'd like to try one of their wigs, and I have decided to go for something totally different. I am a blonde girl through and through. I love my blonde hair. I always choose blonde wigs. I feel comfortable as a blonde. I thought I'd go for something totally radically different, and I've gone for this mahogany brown wig. This is a wig called Bella. So it's human hair. It is 20 inches long. And that colour, wow, isn't it stunning? So the inside of the cap, you've got the lovely big monofilament part there with the lace front. So you can part anywhere in that area. You've got the grips at the sides here. I do usually remove these. These are Velcro, so actually I can remove them really easily. Sometimes that one's handy at the bottom just to sort of pop under your wig grip. It has also got that drawstring cap, which I've shown you on another wig. I don't know if I really like that. I don't know if that's really necessary. But it does sort of tuck straight under the cap like so, so you don't have it kind of hanging out. But let's try it on. Oh my God, this colour! Oh my God, it looks so different. Okay, the colour is absolutely stunning. God, doesn't it make my eyes just look so blue? Let's get up close to this wig. So your part line, obviously it could do with neatening up, but looks pretty good. This is another brand where you can customize it slightly. I asked for it to be deep bleached. And as you can see, that's pretty good. I'm absolutely not mad at that at all. The hairline's great. Oh, it's got a really quite strong scent of like hair dye. It smells really hair dye-y. I wonder if that would go after you washed it. So lovely. The hair feels great. The hair feels really soft, really, really nice. It's quite a natural feeling density, actually. I'm not sure what the density is. I'll list it below. But it doesn't feel overwhelming. And the ends sort of taper to a nice kind of, I quite like it when wigs do that. I don't like it when it's like really blunt and thick at the end because, I mean, to me, I don't find that really very realistic. I do think hair tends to taper off at the ends, doesn't it, and get a little bit thinner. So this does do that. I quite like that. So I'll show you it all the way around. So, ooh, I feel like it's lifting a little bit here at the side so that you can see my blonde hair. So I think I'd probably need to put, obviously this is a glueless wig, so I don't want to be gluing it down, but I could glue it down if I wanted to. Or I could pop a bit of powder, eyeshadow or something on my own hair there just to kind of camouflage it a little bit better. But that's it from the side. From the back. Now the only thing I noticed from wearing this wig at the back is that, I don't know if you're going to see it on camera today, it would split a little bit at the back and you could kind of see some wefting at the back. Maybe you can't see it now. Side. It's got some really nice kind of layers running through it. Can you see? So that it kind of gives it a really lovely body, really nice shape, sort of full. Look at that volume. The colour of this wig, I don't feel like it's not as vibrant in this room. Again, I might take it outside, although it's so dull outside. It's really difficult to make content this time of year because it's looking like a really quite, oh my God, it does look quite red in the camera actually, but in the natural light, it's really, really quite red. It's gorgeous. I'll take you outside. Look at it. Oh my God, that colour. So my thoughts on this wig are, I love it. I think it's really, really nice. It's a really good budget-friendly wig. The hair feels great. It looks lovely. I don't think this is a great wig if you are starting off wearing wigs and feel a little bit insecure or uncomfortable wearing wigs and you're sort of just starting out and you're not quite as confident, because I did find that when moving around and filming with this wig, I could see some of the wefts at the top, right at the top. The bottom was okay, but it would kind of split and show one of the wefts quite a lot. And to me, I just think if you are not wanting people to know that you're wearing wigs, this is not the one. However, if you are fully established in wearing wigs, you don't care what people think, you just want to switch up your look, get yourself an affordable wig and just totally change your appearance, then this is a great brand, because the hair feels great. It's easy to style, it curls beautifully, it straightens, the color is stunning. You have the ability to just completely change your entire personality like that. So it's really great. So I will list all of the details down below of this wig that I'm wearing. Again, this is Bella, but I'd love to know what you think to this wig, what you think to this color. Do you think it suits me or should I go back to blonde? Please like this video, hit subscribe if you'd like to see some more wig content, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.